In this video, we want to look at how we can trigger the opening of a user form in Excel. So on my screen here, there is a very basic user form in Excel. And I just want to make sure I'm able to trigger its opening so I can control how it works and do the testing and then ultimately have my users using it. To do so, I'm going to need to create a macro, and to write this macro, I'm just going to really have one statement that matters, is the name of my form followed by .show. And this statement alone allows the triggering of the opening of my form. So if I launch it now, then you can see that my form has been opened and the window is accessible. I have the drop down and I can select the drop down. So in every case, if you have one form that you want to open, then you can just state the name of the form and follow that by a .show. The fact that it's in a macro is really meant afterwards to be able to also trigger it from a button, for example, on your workbook, so that it will trigger the macro, and then the macro will trigger obviously the opening of the form.